How to share a TikTok video. Before sharing a TikTok video, you need to make sure that the application is up to date. Then, you need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok. From here, you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. Now, you need to navigate to a post and tap on the share icon from the side panel. Once you're here, tap on Repost from the options. You can see that the video has been reposted and shared with your followers. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then, go to the Repost section from here to view your shared contents. Now tap on the post to view or download the content on your gallery. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and share a TikTok video.